Water in it.
No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god.
Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah. Like,
Worried about the wrong thing here.
Bro, why is you rubbing that?
Because
Bro, is that shit, bro? Oh my god. Bro.
my nation. The fuck would you put shit on me for?
Like I was just trying. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
The thing off or something
Nah, I
first.
got it. I'm
just-
bad. I
I'm
want
gonna
you
go.
to pick him up to him.
Come help me. Stink. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean that.
What